2 heating zones. This professional digital countertop dual induction cooker by NutriChef is equipped with 2 circular top panel heating zones with independent configurable temperature zone setting, a digital LCD display screen. Multiple cooking mode. Switch from one cooking mode to another with just one press. This has a manual cooking function with fry, steam, water mode for easy cooking, an automatic warm function which keeps the food warm for later serving. Lock function. This product is also equipped with a built-in child safety lock which locks all the operating buttons of the cooktop to protect the little ones from injuries such as scalding. Energy efficient. This heavy-duty 120V electric induction cooktop cooks food by using electromagnets, so no heat is lost between the cooking surface the pot, which makes it highly energy efficient. It also makes cooking a lot easier faster. Compact versatile. This double burner is compatible with steel, cast iron, enameled iron, stainless steel, flat bottom pan or pot with a diameter of 12 to 26 centimeters. Lightweight compact, great for home, outdoor cooking. It's easy to clean. The unit is an induction cooktop, so induction cookware is required for use. Top reviews from the United States. Heats and cooks quick and easy. My first experience with this type of cooking. It worked great. A quick read of the instructions and I was off cooking by magnets. Very easy to use. When I purchased the NutriChef, it introduced me to the world of induction cooking. Since then, I don't think a day has gone by without using this wonderful addition to my kitchen. It is a 2-burner, smooth top similar to a hot plate, but so much more. The NutriChef is easy to use. Read the directions first. You should be able to figure it out quickly. It didn't take long before I was cooking. You need to use pots and pans that a magnet will stick to the bottom of. Cast iron or steel works well. The food heats quickly. You will need to keep an eye on it while you get the hang of the technology. The surface is glass, which makes it easy to keep clean. The NutriChef is a great addition to the kitchen and gives you an upgrade without buying a full-fledged stovetop. I would suggest the folks at NutriChef enclose a cookbook to help amateur chefs to skip some of the trial and error. Enjoy a new cooking experience.